Isa ko dyan, mag-isa mo.
Patrick. Back to our ball game mga ka-Senso from that brownout. Na ay nasunog no, hinaot unta nga safe ra ang mga tao nga nasunugan dito sa Barangay San Francisco. I think it was in Barangay San Francisco. So katong na mga kuan diha no, labi na katong mga estudyante nga nasunugan og boarding house no, hinaot pa unta nga kuan safe ra mo dayon. Sige lang kay tabangan ta nag-ampo mga ka-Asenso no. Atong mga estudyante diha nga biktima sa sunog, hinaot nga okay ra mo, although wala tay mahimo kay inyohang mga gamit, inyong mga gamit mga nangasunog yun, but I hope nga kamo safe mo diha ano. So amping lang jud mo gihapon kanunay. So katong na mga malumong kasing-kasing, syempre nagahangyo pud ko nga tabangan po nato atong mga kapwa pagadianon sa ilahang ubang panginahanglanon kay wala man gyud po na nila matuyo ngayon na ang mahitabo. So inaot magtinabangay kita ha. Daghang salamat kayo. And back to our ball game. Barangay Tiguma leading by 8 points with 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining sa ato ang first quarter. Ikaduhang sunog nga nahitabo karong tuig dili isa last month I think and isa pod karon no? Last time is dito sa karon sa tong sunog sa kuan Linyensa karong bulan na to October gyapon dili September. Linyensa ang una dito sa Budiga dito sa may Linyensa. Karon na pod boarding house kuno daw ang sunog. So medyo lala jud kayo ang sunog karon kay naagyo mga damage pod sa mga kabatan-una to, labi na mga estudyante na to di sa St. Columban. So sa mga naminaw diha, open ang ato ang St. Columban para sa kuan mga biktima sa sunog, no? Allow me to read this message. No? Panagdait everyone in regards with the fire incident tonight. All SCCians, tanang SCCians, fire victims can stay at the school. Ayun. Daghang salamat kayo sa St. Columban College for catering sa ato ang mga kuan, mga biktima sa sunog. So 14-22. Javier with the ball now to Omar inside number 8, jumper missed. Ramones now with the rebound. De La Peña to Abdul, labas para kay Ramones. Good ball movement, Relova mid-range. Bang! Relova hits that mid-range jumper. Good ball movement for Barangay Tiguma. Javier missing that shot. Ramones hesitation, ball strip and stolen by Redondo. Redondo to Omar, bakante, wing 3. Miss Nakita. Javier, bullet pass, Omar fakes, drives, stops, fires, bang! 14 seconds left in the first quarter. De La Peña for 3. Bang! As the game clock expires for the first quarter, 16-27, Tiguma on the lead.
End of the first quarter. This quarter is brought to you by Stevie Arcelon, Star Tire Code.
And second quarter, by the way mga ka-asenso, our game for Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay San Pedro will be postponed. Balhin sila sa October 10 nga schedule, Martes ka na nga adlaw, 7:30 PM. And for Barangay Santa Lucia and Barangay Tuburan will be tomorrow. Unsa oras ugma? Tuburan og Santa Lucia, Tuburan og Santa Lucia? Alauna? Okay. Alauna, Barangay Tuburan versus Santa Lucia. Redondo outside to Javier, guarded by Castañeda. At binaba ni Castañeda ang depensa. Bitanga Nakalusot, short. Ramones with the rebound, strip from behind. And missed by number 14. Now Redondo, jumper, no look pass. Intercepted by Lapot. Lapot bagsak. And out of bounds. (60-29). Ramones, three-pointer. Too strong. Redondo with the rebound. Now to Javier. Javier, 1 against 3. Nabitawan ang bola. Stolen by Ramones. Lapot to Castañeda. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Rebound by number 14. Now to Bitangan. Nag-iisa. And yes, sir. Nice effort by Tulabing grabbing that rebound. Castañeda now to Ramones. To Abdul, bounce pass para kay Lapot sa gitna. Short and he is fouled.
Foul jersey number 23, Redondo. First personal foul.
Barangay Santiago having height disadvantage tonight. And also for experience disadvantage kay murag bata-bata lagi ng mga Santiago nga nanula karon. Daghang sila ganin ang lakon ni hapon. While Barangay Tiguma having their veterans players, no, experienced pod nga player ang naa sa floor karon. So Redondo open 3. Miss na naman kita. Kumusta ka na? Ramones, bounce pass. Balik kay Ramones. Inside, Abdul, jumper off the glass, missing it. Redondo with the rebound. Pass break para kay Javier. Laput. Inside, Abdul. Comes up short for the reverse layup. Ball stolen now by Acebo. Bounce pass, Javier. Isa pa ulit. Javier back-to-back layup para sa Barangay Santiago. Bagsak si Tulabing. And stolen by Bitaga. 6 straight points para sa Barangay Santiago.
Barangay Tiguma.
24-31. 8-0 run para sa Barangay Santiago. 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Laput. Kinsa man di makita rep. Dagumo. Inside Reloba. Nice cut by Laput sa gitna. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Tiguma. Shout out Patrick. Ang cute ng Ascenso Sports. Reloba fakes, fires, no good. Bullet pass ni Javier na intercept ni Castañeda. Passing ito Lapot. Dagumo corner 3. Bang! And Dagumo nails sa corner 3 para sa Barangay Tiguma. Javier. to Bitanga. Crosses over against Relova. Nakalusot. Scoop shot by Javier. By Bitanga. Ramones. Out of bounds. Foul called against Redondo. Ten-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Lapot, bounce pass inside Relova. Reverse is good. Javier naman ngayon, taking their time to Labing over Bitanga. Crossover let, nabitawan ang bola, stolen by Castañeda. Castañeda on the run, 1 against 3. Stripped from his hand, stolen by Tulabing. Inside, Redondo, good pass para kay Acebo. What an unselfish play here for Barangay Santiago. Castañeda now to Lapot. Careless pass, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Santiago. Redondo to Tulabing. Balik kay Redondo. Behind the back pass, Tulabing, nabakante, open 3. Short. Lapot with the rebound. Now to Ramones. Relova, 1 against 2. Relova all the way. Mintes ang layup. Redondo. Double crossover. Ay, nabitawan. Away pag yun. Ay, na mo pag-away. Parehara mong sayop. Pass break. Relova. Ayun. Mo na disadvantage basta maglalis pa mo sa inyohang mga kauban. Balik dayon sa depensa, dili na maglalisay kay mo na i-grab so, nga opportunity para sa opposing team. Bitanga, Tulabing 3. Miss na naman kita. Redondo with the rebound. Grabe na ibtan si Relova. Redondo, bang! Wing 3 para kay Redondo. Napangiti na lang si Relova nang naagawan siya ng rebound ni Redondo. Castañeda bumawi, basket at may kasama mong foul para kay Castañeda. And a timeout called by Barangay Santiago. And back to our ball game. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 31-42. Gustong dumikit ng Barangay Santiago. Castañeda completes the 3-point play. Now Javier. 15 seconds shot clock. Omar fakes, drives inside. Acebo, bakante sa ilalim. Ganda ng kita ni Omar para kay Acebo. Okay, saan si Omar ni? Omar lagi. Lapot to Relova, fakes. Heavy traffic against Acebo. And no foul call, pass break. Ay, masyadong malakas ang pasa ni Redondo para kay Javier. Lapot behind the back pass, too strong. Ha? Gani.
'Di ba? 'Di ba? Paano? 'Di ba? 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 '
Omar, Javier, spin move. Hesitation. Stops. Omar, corner 3. Bang! Omar hits the corner 3 para sa Barangay Santiago. Castañeda, bumawi naman. Agad si Castañeda para sa Barangay Tigumaa. Redondo. Up and under. Off the glass, no good. De La Peña to Castañeda against Javier. Castañeda all the way, miss. De La Peña with the rebound. Bounce pass, nice cut kay Relova. Balik kay De La Peña ang bola. Outside. Air ball para kay number 14. Suntoy si Redondo. Acebo. Ako na lang muna. Acebo missed. Castañeda. That's the end of our first half. 36-46. Tigumaa up by 10.
This quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy by Rick Fernandez.
And back to our ball game, third quarter. Tiguma up by 6. Ay, by 6 up by 10. Ano sa naman ko eh?
Third quarter.
De La Peña tumapak sa linya. Tulabing to Omar. Balik kay Tulabing. Now to Javier. Javier, 3 defenders. Acebo, pull-up jumper, too strong. Custodio. Now to Labrador. Almost lost it. And finally lost it.
Out of bounds.
Tulabing. Intercepted by Abdul. Tulabing gustong babawi. De La Peña. In and out. Now rebounded by Javier. Speeding. Corner pass. Corner 3. Omar. Miss. Tapi ka ng bola. Acebo wins the rebound. Talsik si Reloba.
Foul jersey. Number
And a foul called against Labrador.
Personal foul.
Omar
First foul.
drives, fakes, outside to Labing. Balik kay Omar sa labas, wing 3, bang! Another 3 para kay Omar. Labrador inside Reloba. Umatake sa ilalim, can't get it to go. Acebo with the rebound. Pass break to Javier. Stolen by Labrador. Good defensive play by Labrador. Now to Abdul. Backcourt violation called against Barangay Tiguma.
Fourteen seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Tulabing, Omar, corner 3. Miss. De La Peña with a rebound. Black shirts on the run. De La Peña all the way. Another miss. Reloba. And he is fouled.
Foul jersey number 14, Tulabing. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Santiago.
Abdul to Reloba. Ganda ng depensa ng Santiago, but Reloba sniping the baseline. Tulabing stops. Now to Omar. Balik kay Tulabing. Balik kay Omar. Tulabing ulit. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Javier with the rebound. Up and under. Supalpal by Reloba. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Santiago. Long pass para kay Javier. Now to Omar. Bakante for 3. Bang! Another 3 for Omar. Pakpak na yung Mamiray Santiago, oh. Sa imong ubos trick. Custodio to De La Peña. Fakes, di ko kita rep. Amatake. Ball lost from his hands. Stolen now by the orange shirts. Tulabing nagmamadali. Nakita si Omar. Long trio sana. Ilalim. Nice fake by Acebo.
Foul jersey number 8.
Wala yung ginaingon nga when you use 100% of your brain.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Tiguma.
Acebo missed his first throw. Second throw, Mintes. Rebound by Bustamante. Ball goes to Barangay Tiguma.
Substitution.
(42-48), 6 na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma. With an impressive run by Barangay Santiago despite being outnumbered. De La Peña, corner 3, miss. Javier with the rebound. Too many black shirts inside. Tulabing, nice fake, nakalusot against Laput. What a play by Tulabing. Idso to Castañeda inside Reloba. Di makalusot. Outside De La Peña. Now to Laput, gustong bumawi. And he is fouled.
Foul jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Santiago.
Laput missing his first throw. Nagkadugay ba? Nagkapareha mamugtingog ni Alan. Mugbarker. Reloba with the rebound. Spin move. Heavy traffic against Acebo. Missing it. Rebound by Bustamante. At bola ngayon na kay Tulabing. Ning Menor. Pull-up jumper. Bouncing up the rim. No good. Castañeda. Speeding up. Outside. Reloba. Corner para kay De La Peña. Fakes. Drives. Nice cut. Reloba. Pero may foul.
Foul jersey number 11. Acebo.
Bintanga will check in. Replacing Bustamante.
Barangay Santiago.
Na, pareha na yun magtingog ni Alan. 44-48. 4 na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma as Inso saves that ball. Reloba and finally scores that reverse layup against Acebo from the baseline. Javier tutulabing. Acebo against Inso. Acebo nakalusot. Ayun. Basket pa rin. Laput can't believe what happened. Acebo makes that basket with a foul.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
And Redondo will check in for Santiago, replacing Omar. Abi ang Santiago, pila rin sila kabuok? 7. 4-point lead Barangay Tiguma. Castañeda fakes, drives, hangs outside De La Peña, floater, miss. Tulabing with the rebound, fast break para Kabitanga, now to Javier. Yes sir! At napatimeout ang Barangay Tiguma as they cut the lead to 2. What a run here by Barangay Santiago. Santiago, despite being outnumbered, having this impressive run against Barangay Tiguma. From 13 down to 2. Wow. And we still have 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Indot eh. Back to our ball game. De La Peña fires from downtown. Missed. Gets his own rebound. Pero may foul ay tinawag against Bitanga. Uy, shout out kay Nurdel Jordan Clarkson Dadoli.
Foul jersey number 19, Bitanga. First personal foul for FIFA. Barangay Santiago.
Inso. Tulapot. Umararo. Now to Reloba. Napatigil. De La Peña extends the lead to 4. Javier to Acebo. Inside, what a look there by Acebo para kay Bitanga. Tiguma was stunned from that offense. De La Peña against Redondo. Now to Lapot. Balik kay De La Peña. Baseline shot is good. Another pass from the inside. Now to Acebo. Umatake. Ball stolen by De La Peña. De La Peña. Careless pass. Stolen by Tulabing. 1 against 2. What a nice pass by Tulabing para kay Bitanga. Ang ganda ng teamwork ng Barangay Santiago. Castañeda is fouled.
Foul jersey number 23, Redondo. Third personal foul, penalty.
Ayun, penalty for Barangay Santiago.
Substitution.
Castañeda missing his first throw. And nails the second one.
2 minutes.
3-point lead for Barangay Tiguma. Tulabing. Crosses over. Now to Acebo, the pick and roll. And Acebo is fouled from that shot.
Foul jersey number 11, Ramones. First personal foul for FIFA. Barangay Tiguma.
Santiago with a nice connection between players. Murag gituyo ang play nila oy. Ha? Mingaw. Acebo misses both free throw. Mananatili sa 3 ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma. Reloba. Double team. Ramones driving off the glass. And basket is in. Redondo now. Bounce pass to Acebo. Ball miss. Stolen by De La Peña. Pass break. Castañeda. Reloba. Balik kay De La Peña. And a good team effort for Barangay Tiguma. Tulabing fires. Bang! High arcing 3 para kay Tulabing. Balik sa 4 ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma. Good pressure. Lapot inside Reloba. Too strong. 25 seconds left. Redondo. Corner pass para kay Omar. Outside. Stolen by the black shirts. Now to Ramones. Castañeda spin move driving outside De La Peña. Game clock winding down. And Mintes That ends our third quarter. Tiguma up by 4.
This quarter is brought to you by City Councilor Idol Joshua Ponte Jr.
Fourth quarter. 4 na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Tiguma.
Fourth and final quarter.
Dumidikit ang Barangay Santiago. As Tulabing drives the ball outside. Acebo, heavy traffic.
Acebo!
Dalawa na lang. Ramones to Castañeda. De La Peña inside lapot. Umararo, ball is lost. Bola mapupunta para sa Barangay Santiago. And now Santiago will have a chance to tie the game. Tulabing now making a play. Javier Acebo. Balik kay Javier. Sa labas, shot clock 5 seconds. Javier up and under for the time, missing it. Tapikan ang bola. And nakuha sa orange shirts. Missing that 3-pointer by Bustamante. Minadali ni Bustamante. Castañeda, ball is lost na naman. Stolen now by Javier. Javier, 1 against 3. Tulabing, driving inside. Bitanga. At nagmintes pa ang layup ni Bitanga. Bitanga will be on the line to shoot free throws.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Tiguma.
Ganda ng play ng Barangay Santiago. Kasi mong gilantaw dito. Wala. Bitanga misses both free throws. De La Peña outside Ramones, inside Reloba against Acebo. Reloba miss again sa ilalim. Acebo with the rebound. Now to Javier. Ayun, traveling, sayang.
Traveling violation.
Time out, Barangay Tiguma. And what a run here for Barangay Santiago. (59-57), 8 minutes left in this fourth period. Castañeda, quick release from downtown. Balik sa lamang, Tulabing. Acebo. And stolen by Castañeda. Javier nagmamadali, hinabol si Castañeda, strip from behind. And Relova is fouled by Bitanga. Basket will not count, sabi ng referee.
Foul jersey number 19, Bitanga. Second personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Santiago.
Pinakaba ang Barangay Tiguma sa run ng Santiago. Lead now is back into 5. Corner 3, Ramones. Bang! Ramones hits a dagger 3-pointer, extending their lead to 8. Tulabing long 3. Missed. Ball will remain in Barangay Santiago.
14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Bitanga. Umatake, nakalusot, supalpal ni Relova. Ano ba to?
Jersey number 19, Bitanga. Technical foul for continuous complaining.
Oh, Bitanga, technical foul for continuous complaining. Adi, magsigreklamo. Kaya naman tayo repire. De La Peña missing that free throw.
Third personal foul.
Okay ra, pero okay ra ba yun na mo reklamo? Pero di lang yun pasulabihan kay naman tayo official, naman tayo officiating. Sila may nahibalo sa kuan. Smooth jumper by Ramones from the baseline. Tulabing 10-point lead. 40 Guma, balik sa 10. Tulabing open 3. Air ball. Actually, bagsak na daan si Tulabing before pa niabot si Castañeda sa landing zone. Kung unta, nauna si Castañeda, way sigurong foul pa to sa landing zone. Balik si 10 ang labang ng Barangay Tiguma. Ramones. Driving, corner pass, balik kay Ramones. Stolen by the orange shirt. And Redondo is fouled by Castañeda.
Foul jersey number 16, Castañeda. First personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Tiguma.
6 minutes and 4 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Sasing will check in for Barangay Tiguma. Javier to Redondo. Omar sa corner. Balik kay Redondo. Steps back. Tulabing. Ayun, may foul. Napuling. Foul called against Sasing.
Foul jersey number 5, Sasing.
Acebo. Omar long 3. Muntikan pa. Tulabing with a rebound. Javier. 5-second shot clock. Omar hesitating. Javier. Floater is good by Javier. Sasing to De La Peña. Inside Relova. Balik kay Sasing. Jumper. Off the glass. No good. Rebound by Omar. Now to Tulabing. Stops. Fires. Bang! Tulabing. What a shot by Tulabing. Balik sa 5 ang lawang ng Barangay Tiguma. With a 3-pointer galing kay Tulabing. Sasing to Reloba. De La Peña spins and a foul is called against Kitsaman. Against Redondo. Pang-apat na foul ni Redondo. Reloba, spin move! Good pass kay De La Peña under the baseline. And intercepted now by Sasing. Sasing to De La Peña. Yes, sir! 4 straight points for De La Peña. To Labing. Fires again. Missing this time. Out of bounds. Laput. And timeout called by Barangay Santiago with 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Santiago trailing by 9 points. And back to our ball game. Ramones fakes, stops, passing it to Laput. Kinapos ang tira ni Laput. Second chance is good para kay Laput. Javier, 11-point deficit. Javier lost that ball. He is fouled by Ramones. Go daw Santiago. Wala man diri imong Santiago. Renagin. To Labing. To Omar. Pass, almost tripped. Now to Javier, 5-second shot clock. Another runner. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Laput with the rebound. Pass break. To Ramones. Stops. Umatake. Abdul outside to Sasing. Pull up jumper. Too strong. De La Peña is there for the rebound. Omar missed. Another rebound by Laput. Tuara. Usgan kay si Laput. Pali na kontra. Sasing sidestep. And yes sir! Ganda ng move ni Sasing. To Labing. Over Omar. Now to Bitanga. Attacking. Supalpal!
10 seconds to shoot.
10-second shot clock. Omar. Bounce pass. Acebo. Off balance shot. Missed. Nagbanggar gid sila sa iyang kauban.
Out of bounds.
Ayun o, Ray Calderon. Shout out daw from Marikina. And Ramones firing that dagger 3-pointer from the corner. Javier! What a play by Javier! Hands in the air against two defenders. Basket at may kasama pang foul.
Foul jersey number 18.
Grabe, Javier, nagkapi sa ere. So, Barangay Santiago, napugkakaroon rin na Jin. Dili naka Barangay Tuburan. Omar with the rebound. Cross court to Javier. Spin move. Pero inabot ng Supalpal. Lapot to De La Peña. Lapot with a nice layup. At unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Barangay Tiguma. Santiago naubusan ng gasolina.
Shot clock 5.
Omar, 4-second shot clock. Javier, 3-pointer. Bang! As the shot clock expires. Sasing. Game clock winding down. Tiguma taking their time.
5.
Taas ang kamot niya sa Iboy. Good ball movement for Barangay Santiago but still kinapos sa oras.
Foul jersey number 12.
And that seals the deal. 17 seconds, hindi na makakahabol ang Barangay Santiago. Early congratulations for Barangay Tiguma, 67-82. And Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay San Pedro will change his schedule to October 10 at 7:30 p.m. while Santa Lucia and Tuburan will be tomorrow at 1 p.m. And that's the end of our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Congratulations to Barangay Tiguma. This is your commentator, Gab. See you tomorrow.
82-60. Winner, Barangay Tiguma.